Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 12 noon in the afternoon, we are at Dupinga River, Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija. It is a beautiful river picnic location. The entrance fee was 20 pesos per head. You can get the cottage, depends upon the size, from 300 pesos to 700 pesos. There is a comfort room or dress changing room available. You have to pay 10 pesos per visit. The water was very cold. At the same time, in the middle of the river, the water current is too high. Don't worry about that. On the side of the river, water current was very low, so your kids can enjoy very much. It is a best place for family bonding and get together celebration. If you walk a little bit further, you can see man-made small dam. In that area, the water current was really high, and it is really very scenic view also. And one more thing, here you can meet kind and friendly local people. They are all awesome. As usual, our captain Kim Sung preparing our lunch. Looks so delicious.
So, we are already ready for the lunch right now.
I love it.
Look at it. That's our lunch.
Let's eat!
Yeah,
Let's
sure.
eat together.
Yummy hotdog, my tummy!
So this is how it is.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. After the lunch, we went for photo shoot. My god, the result was fantastic. You will see it. I highly recommend this place for photo shoot.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I see you guys next video soon. Thank you.